Bike Vlogs here, welcome today to another vlog. So today I'm gonna start off by saying it is actually freezing right now. It's minus 3 degrees and as you can see the grass is also white. And so yeah, I just got back from school and I have so much stuff to do because of the finals for my school and everything. So it's getting pretty busy. I'm planning to do another training this afternoon. It's gonna be about 3.5–4 hours training. Then I gotta do some work for tomorrow, some homework, and then I'm gonna do some other stuff that I have to do for school. So it's gonna be a pretty busy week, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. So enjoy this vlog. If you like this vlog, leave a like, and let's get straight into this vlog. So I just got on the bike, and it's for a long time that I'm here. And let me quickly show you my setup. So I have my laptop right there, my phone, and some earphones for the situation when my wireless Bluetooth headset dies. I got my 2 other bottles right there and 2 in my bike. So I'm gonna be here for a long time, and yeah, I'm gonna try to get some work done for school and all those other things. Just spotted a pretty awesome car, and let me show you what it is. Audi R8, yeah, motherfuckers. Woohoo! He was looking at me like, damn, what the fuck are you doing, man? Alright, gotta go. I have theater lessons right now. You will say like another time. So I have a Tuesday and Saturday I have some theater lessons. Oh god, it's dark in here. But anyways, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm just gonna go to the lessons now. It's for another final exam, and yeah, it's getting pretty busy. But anyways, welcome to another vlog today. Without further ado, let's get straight into this vlog today. Hooah!
A few moments later.
So I'm actually starting to get pretty angry of school, because the thing is, every year the 6th grade, so the last years, celebrate their actual last 100 days, and every year they did like they went to Ghent, and then they came back and celebrated on school by doing a parkour, so the students have to go through. And I'm doing just crazy things on school, but this year we aren't allowed to do it, and that's just, I don't know why they did it. They say it's not safe enough, but I think it's just bullshit, and they just want to take away our celebration, and we can nothing do about it. And yeah, the thing is, we have to we aren't gonna be even in school at that day. And you will say like, okay, that's cool, you don't have school that day, but standardly you don't have school at that day, so it doesn't matter if you're not at school or you are, because there are no lessons for you that day. Yeah, and then go with the bus and do every kind of some kind of activities, but that is not 100 days, guys. That's just doing pure nonsense and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready for school. Getting pretty angry. I'm sorry. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Shit. I first thought that I was really gonna get attacked. And then, what the fuck? So I just saw that I didn't have an outro, but anyways, I'm sorry for the little depressing part at the end, but I thought I'm gonna really tell it to you guys so that you know what is going on. And comment the hashtag give it back just to support us. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and that's all, dude. Peace.